Kop-Flex high-performance couplings are engineered and applied based on API 671 guidelines and are designed to last for the life of the connected equipment. However, equipment often operates beyond its design criteria, either unintentionally due to misalignment or intentionally to achieve higher output from the equipment. Either way, operating beyond the engineering limits of the coupling will reduce its practical service life. During the design process, the modified Goodman diagram is used to quantify the effect of constant stresses, such as torque and axial misalignment, and alternating stresses, such as angular misalignment and torsional oscillations. API 671 specifies the minimum safety factor is 1.25. As equipment wears or is operated beyond the design parameters, the load case position on the Goodman diagram moves upward, closer to the endurance limit line. The result is higher stresses in the disc pack, as you can see in this simulation. When loading changes due to foundation settling or alignment drifting, the load case can move above the endurance limit line into the finite life region. The Kop-Flex High Performance Coupling Recertification program restores the coupling back to a like-new condition for about half the cost of new, whereby removing the accumulated damage incurred from operating beyond the design parameters.